Are you cold? Dude, I'm actually cold. Just woke up. The weather is starting to change. It's getting a lot colder in the mornings and at night as well. So it tells us that summer is finally coming to an end. Look at him. Hello. Ah, fuck. Dude, isn't it cold?
Dude, it's hella cold today.
It's kind of cold, dude. Hi, Mia. Hi, hi, hi. It's attacking Ongo.
It's the nails, dude.
She's heavy, dude.
That's it.
Wow. We should get some
You guys
soon.
took too long, so I just put them on.
Dick.
Wow.
Fucking dick. Oh, they look good though.
I'm just kidding.
But we got Diego's headlights from his stock headlights from his bug eye. We got his stock front bumper now. It's coming along. It's coming along. So next up, a hood.
And then quick sell.
Hood, dude.
Carbon fiber hood?
Carbon fiber hood. Wrap the front bumper.
And quick sell.
Quick sell.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the fuck is?
Check this wheelie out, bro. Whose back is this? Yours?
Yeah.
That's what Marco rolled in for a bucket.
Right now you just hear the wheels pop. We have the old roof vane also from Diego's car. And it was painted gloss black when his car was black. But Luis wants it matte.
Hey, go on the third.
So we're gonna do a matte finish on the roof vane and then somehow put it on his car. You take it off, Luis.
I took it off in nail polish.
Windex, you say.
Look, giving away.
What the?
You guys ever have to run away?
If you guys ever want to get away with speeding,
Oh yeah.
that's the sticker right there. The real reason why Marco is selling the bug eye. Yes, it's trash. But Marco is twin turboing the beast over here.
So
Let's do that fucking air horn prank.
Hide in the bushes.
you could just hide in your house.
Just out your window, dude.
My mom's, but it's gonna come.
It's all done being painted.
Look at all this stuff. Ew.
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 I don't like the matte look anymore, actually.
I don't like the gloss.
I like the gloss better.
It's not.
Ew, no, take that off.
I just don't like this black. Feels silver, it looked better.
What, the sides?
Yeah.
That's what I was trying to shoot for. You motherfucker, you!
Oh, when I heard that on the video,
You know how Subaru can make, like you can take your car to Subaru and have them install a sunroof?
Yeah.
You guys heard about that? Do you think they can install those? If you guys know, you should let me know in the comments because I want one for my STI. I think I'm gonna shoot for like a OEM one, like Bongles. But if they can actually drill it in for you and like do it right, professionally, then I'd be down for it. If not, then I probably won't bother with it.
Get a sunroof. Get a sunroof.
Sunroof would be sick too. It looks like a little Honda wing.
Little bumper one.
Just be unique, dude.
if that one breaks, my dad has one.
Oh yeah, we got two more up top there.
Just make a chassis.
Right there and right there.
I actually want to get a wing. I'm not even.
Yeah, dude, look.
I get like small ones.
That would look sick.
Oh, like the Dulux wing? That already looks like it, dude, right there, look.
But his looks good.
Tell them to do it.
Hey, bro, I got you here. Let's go eat. Luis still doesn't know if he wants to actually drill the roof vane in or if he wants to like Velcro tape it. But before we get to that, we're gonna go catch a bite to eat. Let's go. Sushi tonight.
Oh, what the? Why
What?
we spent so much money? I'm grateful.
I'm grateful.
Good job.
You have a job now. What do you mean?
I have a job.
Chinese food morning, sushi at night. What the fuck?
Thank you.
Can I get a soup? This fool. We got the chicken fried rice. No, chicken chow mein with fried rice.
Get the GDM.
I got the shrimp. I had to get the shrimp. Marco another basic chicken chow mein, and Onguito got the lemon pepper, lemon chicken.
Lemon.
They taste like lemon peppers. Is that a thing? Ira.
Oh, you got left.
We are back at Luis's house. How do you want to do this? Drill, Velcro tape, glue, zip tie. Ooh. Can I get some orange chicken with that rice?
Was it like stir fry or fried rice? I'm just gonna quickly make a little estimate right here. You know, if you cancel out the X's and the O's.
What about the hypothesis with the
So I was just about to
internal
get to that.
services
I was just about to get
XT9s?
to that theory. That,
Wait,
know,
did you count the
sun is-
radius for the xylophone on the left?
According to my calculations, that's improbable.
What about potassium? Is there enough potassium
There's
in
not
this
enough
aluminum?
photosynthesis going around the world. You know,
Shut the fuck up, dude.
Luis wants to Velcro the roof vane. I mean, drill the roof vane. We want to Velcro it because we've tried drilling Diego's before and it did not end well.
but I tried it already with the Velcro and it doesn't work.
You probably got the wrong one.
It was 3M.
That's a brand.
That's a brand.
Yes, I know. That's what I'm
I'm
saying.
talking about weight class, like what it can hold.
Well, I'm only
Like,
like
I like-
160, bro.
Listen, go watch the video where me and Diego did this with a drill and we fucked it up. Unless you want two giant holes in there, because under this there's like another piece of aluminum,
Another piece of metal.
so it's not easy.
You have to drill all.
And then you would have to get what do they call it, like that foam, or maybe like 3M double-sided tape on here anyway, so you don't get water in the hole. All right, boys, we're rolling deep in the Audi 5000 CS Turbo. Let's send it, dude. I'm riding shotgun. Hey, we gotta boost this thing, eh?
I'm fucking down. So that's cold start.
What year is it?
86?
86?
I think it's an 86. Yeah.
Fuck. This thing is.
Hey, it's not a millennial. Hey, we'll close it. We will leave you here. Yeah.
Rolling deep in the Audi.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, isn't this the car with no brakes?
Wasn't that yours?
It's awesome.
Oh, it is Camacho. Hey!
We're gonna go to DIY.
Come with us!
Get in.
Follow us. Bust a bitch. Go.
He's like, what the fuck is wrong with you
life,
guys?
dude.
Alright, go. Ready? Let's see if it boosts.
That's it. Boosting.
What?
Yeah. Nah, just kidding.
Oh, fuck!
Fuck.
DIY.
Do it yourself.
It got us here. Don't ever smoke weed. Weed killers.
I am literally in the air right now, wrapping up a stewardess. First class, I am so new at this. Used to ride a metro, let us hit this retro. Like the infrareds on my feet, baby, let's go. Send out what they know me by, logic what they call me. Gotta catch a flight, but the fans wanna stall me. Life of a dawn, change just glowing. Always in the lab with the fresh kicks on. I'm at the MGM, rocking MCM.
Picked up what we needed. We ended up going with some Velcro tape. This should hold it up pretty well. And industrial strength.
How bad do you love ice cream?
These are bomb. Alright boys, roof vane is on. There's the finished product. It looks pretty good, in my opinion. Came out really good. And it'll definitely stick, so there it is. I think you still should paint these gray.
Side, yeah.
They look kind of weird black. So next up, what do you guys want to see for Luis's car? He's been thinking about getting the headlights that Ongo has on his car. I think that would be a good look. Luis has also been talking about maybe getting his car wrapped. Make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see a full wrap on Luis's car. We would also be fixing all the dents on his car. So all these right here, these on his hood. The roof vane definitely looks a lot better. I'm a big fan of roof vanes, so I like it. You also have to get the 0405 tail lights, cause those are
Look at the Mikey ones.
These are ugly, huh?
yeah. Oh, and a louder catback, cause you're just quiet.
I don't. I'm humble, okay?
Anyways, guys, let us know what you want to see on Luis's car next. If you like this video, give it